Okay, today is Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. We're at Leisure Co-op in Wixom. We're currently at Building 4. We're in Unit 50338. As you can see, this is where there was a floor break that was done by another company. We installed a 4-inch two-way T here. We're going to go ahead and first go upstream, which would be to Unit 50440. We're going to go upstream, take a look at the cast iron, then we're going to televise downstream. We're going to try and locate the Ys for the different units as we go downstream. We'll also be moving from different locations throughout the entire building to do some televising, trying to look at all the cast iron and see the condition, and also try and put together an idea as far as doing a descale of the main line that runs through the buildings, and also get an idea where the line turns and heads out. In front of 50330, I believe, is the manhole. Yes, there is a manhole in the front, which is a dead end manhole for the main. Also in front of 50328, we have a 4-inch cast iron cleanout, which we believe is downstream of the manhole. And the next manhole is at the main road and the driveway entrance for buildings 1 and 4. This is going to be our initial televise. Again, we're going to go upstream toward Unit 50340. You can see this is the end of the PVC and where we pick up the cast iron. You can see we do have scale build up quite a bit. We are doing a televise just to try and see if we can see how much debris is in the line. It has been a while since this line was televised. There have been no backup issues. Here you can see we have a toilet that was flushed. Okay, here you can see your 45s that go up. Okay, we're going to let the water flow here, but you can see that we're actually looking up the stack at this point. We would be able to descale from this cleanout. We would be able to descale upstream and pull all the scale back. Also, we would be able to descale downstream for quite a ways, but we do want to gather information from the other units as far as access points and what the other units actually look like, and what the piping looks like for descaling. We are going to pull back here and continue our recording, and then we're going to turn and head downstream. Okay, at this point we're going to go ahead and start televising downstream. We are going to pause our recording at times. We're also going to see if we can locate the different Ys in the different units. We are going to start without a centering guide. Depending on conditions, we may have to pull back and put a centering guide on the camera. But we'll first start without, and you can see just past the clean out here is where we change to the cast iron. Okay, you can see as we pulled back here slightly, you can see there's quite a rail here of scale on each side. But at this point, with the televising we've been doing so far, there has not been a large buildup of paper or waste in the drain at this time, but you can definitely see the scale and the possibility that causes to catch debris and cause backups. Okay, as you can see here on the right hand side about the 3 o'clock position, we have a Y. We are going to get some water flushed from unit 50336 and confirm that this is the stack location for that unit. Okay, as you can see here, this was the water from the first floor toilet in 50336. We are going to continue on with our televise. We are going to televise out to as far as we can push the camera. Again, you can see here along the bottom we do have large amounts of scale building along the bottom of the piping. Here again, you can see we have some shelving on the right-hand side. Okay, we believe that this is in unit 50334. We are going to continue our televised downstream. Okay, we're going to check unit 50334, see if we can locate this Y with steady stream of water that's coming through, and we don't have anybody in either unit at this point in 336 or 334. Okay, we have located this. This is actually in unit 50334. This is from the laundry tub. This is how much water is running in the laundry tub faucet. It does have a hose on it, so it is hard to detect. We are going to go ahead and continue to televise. In that unit as well, there is no access as the basement is finished with a basement bathroom and bedroom, and there is no access to the stack buried in a wall. So we would need to descale from the unit we're currently in, and we're going to go ahead and continue televising into the next unit, which we possibly believe may be where we change from the 4-inch cast iron to 6-inch. So we're going to continue our televise downstream. As you can see, we do have the flow of water that is coming from the laundry tub in 50334. Okay, as you can see here, this is where you watch the camera drop down. This is where we transition from the 4-inch to the 6-inch. We are going to mark this on our camera push rod. We will also go ahead and attempt to locate this to see which unit we're currently in. Okay, we have located this transition area. Again, we're going to pull back, and here you can see this is the end of the 4-inch, and you can see here we go to the larger 6-inch. This is located in unit 50332. This is located in front of the washer, right by the floor drain. Also, that unit is partially finished, and we do not have access to the stack cleanout in that unit. Okay, as you can see, we're hitting pockets of where we're holding some water in the 6-inch. This can just be due to scale buildup. We're going to continue to push to the Y, which we believe to possibly be in either 330 or 328. As you can see, we have a little bit of a buildup here on the pipe. We're going to try and see if we can clear this out so we can continue our televise and also possibly get the 6-inch to drain down a little bit. Okay, we've located this outside. This is actually located in front of 50328. The cast iron cleanout that's in that in the front yard of that unit is actually upstream of this tie-in. So that would be one point that we would use for pushing all the scale out to the next manhole. We are going to go ahead and continue to pull back at this time. We are going to pause our recording. When we get to the cast iron Y, we are going to go in unit 330 to locate, but we believe it's possible that that Y is also located in 328. Okay, we believe this to actually be in unit 50328. At this point, we are going to pull back all the way to unit 50338. We will continue to record as we pull back, and then we're going to move all our equipment over to unit 50326 and televise from that location, again, out to the Y in the clay tile. Okay, we're going to pause our recording here. We're going to flow a bunch of water from 5338. We're going to flush the toilet, run cold water and laundry, see if we can get some of this in the 6-inch just to flow downstream. Okay, as you can see, we flushed a bunch of water through from the unit where we're doing the televised. We were trying to see if we could clear the debris out of the 6-inch clay. As you can see, we do have a good flow, or I'm sorry, out of the 6-inch cast iron. We do have a good flow of water that was coming through. So we're going to go ahead and start our recording. We're pulling back all the way from the tie-in of the clay. And we will record all the way back to the PVC two-way T that was recently installed. Again, we're currently not running a centering guide, so the camera is laying right on the bottom of the piping. And as you can see, as we pull back, there's a decent flow on the line, but we have managed, it appears to be, to clear out a good portion of the loose debris that was laying in the 6-inch pipe. Okay, and again right here, this is our transition from the 6-inch. You can see right here, this is transition from the 6-inch. Now we're back in the 4-inch cast iron, and we're pulling back towards the two-way T that was installed in unit 50338.